Welcome. Goa is a land of highly talented and artistic people. Goa folk dances bear a tradition of thousands of years. Let us see folk dances of Goa. Gof. The Gof is a traditional dance of Goa. It is performed during the advent of spring season in Kankon Taluka. Kuririno. It is a dance form that was introduced by the Portuguese during their rule in Goa. It is the traditional dance which is done in pairs. Fugdi and Dalo are the most common folk dances of Goa. Lamp dance. Women holding brass lamps on their heads perform the lamp dance during Shigmo festival. Morule is traditional folk dance presented by the backward community during Shigmo. Dikhni is a blend of traditional and modern music. Kunbi is a tribal folk dance. Zagor is a folk play presented in different villages of Goa by the Gauda community. Dhangar performed during Navratri is a vigorous session of worship and dance. Mando and Dhulpod is a love song which represent the mingling of Indian and Western tradition. Veerbhadra. This folk dance is a tribute to Veerbhadra, is the son of Lord Shiva. Ghode Modni. Ghode, horse. Modni, dance like movements, is a spectacular warrior dance. Musar Kher. The dance performed by men who carry musar. The dance is performed during harvest time by the people of Chandur. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home, stay strong.